Today, we are going to show you how to wire and mount your zūmo XT to a motorcycle. Garmin strongly recommends having an experienced installer with a proper knowledge of electrical systems install the device. Incorrectly wiring the power cable can result in damage to the vehicle or the battery, and can cause bodily injury. To wire the motorcycle power cables, you will need the motorcycle cradle, the motorcycle power cables, 2 electrical crimp connectors, a wire terminal crimp tool, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The crimp connectors are included, but the size needed may vary upon your motorcycle's battery. The device must be mounted in a suitable and secure location on your motorcycle, based upon available power sources and safe cable routing. No fuse is required. Other bikes may have wiring requiring other solutions not covered in this video. Refer to an experienced installer. The crimp-style ring terminal connects the wiring harness directly to the battery terminal. Begin by wiring the motorcycle power cables to your motorcycle. It is important to choose an accessible wiring path for the cables. Your ideal path will vary depending on the model of your motorcycle. Next, locate the battery. Then, disconnect the grounding wire. Once the ground wire has been safely removed, disconnect the positive wire. The fuse for the motorcycle power cable is located in your one end of the cable. You may choose or need to reduce the length of the wiring harness for proper installation. When cutting the wire, do not remove the fuse. A fuse is required for circuit protection from excess electrical current. If you choose to use crimps for this process, attach them now. Next, attach the wiring harness. Start by attaching the positive wire from the wiring harness to the positive terminal on the battery. Then, attach the grounding wire to the battery's grounding terminal. Now that you have wired your device, it is now time to mount it. The device includes parts for 2 handlebar installation solutions. Custom mounts may require additional hardware. For this video, we will install the U-bolt to the handlebar base. You will need the mounting equipment included in the box and a socket wrench to complete this process. Place the U-bolt around the handlebar and thread the ends through the handlebar base. A third-party U-bolt can be used if the one included does not fit your handlebars. Tighten the nuts to secure the base. The recommended torque is 50 pounds. Do not exceed 80 pounds of torque. Next, we will attach the power cables to the motorcycle mount. Thread the power cable connector through the opening in the motorcycle mount and pull the cable back until it is snug. Your device also comes with a small screwdriver and a small screw needed to hold the cable in place. Next, we will attach the base plate to the motorcycle mount. You will need the included M4 by 20mm panhead screws, washers, cradle, spacers, and base plate. Direct sustained contact with the base plate or any part of the motorcycle may damage the mount over time. To prevent this kind of damage, you must place the mounting spacers between the mount and base plate, and make sure that no part of the device or mount touches the motorcycle. Thread the panhead screws through the washers, cradle, spacers, and base plate before installing the nuts. Tighten the nuts to secure the base plate. Next, we will attach the base plate to the handlebar base with the socket arm. Align the ball of the handlebar base and the ball of the base plate with each end of the double socket arm. Insert each ball into the double socket arm. Tighten the knob slightly. Adjust for optimal viewing and operation, then tighten the knob fully to secure it to the mount. Leave the weather cap installed when the device is not attached and in use. Ensure the weather cap is removed to expose the pins before installing the device. Now you can install your device on the motorcycle mount. Push the top of the device forward until it snaps in place. The latch on the mount stays up after you have inserted the device. When not in use, we recommend removing the zūmo from its mount, as this is a continuous power solution. This is important because bikes being wired in this way may experience battery drain. To remove your device from the mount, press the release button on the top of the mount. Then lift the device out. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.